A Nokia user from Mexico contacted me regarding his Nokia X100. The device was stuck in fastboot mode and he didn't remember the exact option that caused it, but had a rough idea that it was after he used an option within the developer options. The option allowed him to change the firmware, so quite obviously it must be the DSU Loader option. Just to be sure, I asked for the video of the phone, and as expected, the phone only reboots to fastboot mode. Thereafter, he placed an order for the repair service over at our website, and then I connected to his PC using UltraViewer. The first thing to do was to put the firmware to download so that it is ready by the time we complete other requisites. Thereafter, I checked the details of the device. The product name shown in the user builds of Nokia X100 firmware is SM4350. The bootloader is locked. Both of the boot slots are marked as unbootable too. And as expected, the bootloader unlock ability is not available. Anyways, to fix this device, the first thing that we need to do is to unlock the bootloader. Unlocking is made possible with the contribution of Hikari colleagues over at XDA forums. I flashed the ABL shared by him to both slots and then used it to perform the bootloader unlock. The unlock requires a confirmation on the device using the hardware buttons. Once confirmed, the phone came back to fastboot mode, but now we have an unlocked bootloader, which should be adequate to flash any version of the firmware or even a custom ROM or GSI. In this case, we are using the stock ROM, so next thing to do was to prepare the stock ROM for flashing. The ROM zip file is available to download through our website. I unzipped the ROM files to a folder on the C drive and copied over the platform tools and a batch file to run the fastboot flash commands. And finally, it is the time to flash the firmware to the phone. I am flashing it on slot B first and then to the slot A. However, it's enough if you just flash it on slot A. As you would have already noticed, the video is being fast forwarded to keep it short and to the point. After flashing the firmware to the slot B, the same flashing script is being run again after setting the slot A as the active slot. If you are flashing the firmware by yourself, then remember to flash slot A and boot from slot A as well. The device will not boot if you set slot B as the active slot. Once flashing completes, it is the time to restart the phone. The phone started up normally and the user thanked me for fixing his phone. If you also have a Nokia X100 or any other Nokia or non-Nokia smartphone, then remember to not use the DSU Loader option. And if you have already used it, then you don't need to throw the phone away. You can use our paid unbrick service to recover your phone. We will unlock the bootloader and flash your Nokia phone just like we did in this video. You can order the service from the links provided in the description or just visit shop.techmaster.com. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more such videos.